So we are another day, and I said to you on the last video, I said if you want to be well, it's everything that you eat. A lot of the things that make you well are what you eat. Lots of stuff you can go in the garden. So as I mentioned yesterday about the chicken soup, well, chicken soup is so easy. If we were going to have it, then obviously there'd be onions and garlic, great antioxidant, great for you. As it's for the dogs, they can't have onions, so I kind of make up for that and I put some spuds in and some carrots and stuff. When the chicken is cooked, all the collagen comes out. So there's a bag of collagen that you can buy from anywhere, like I said yesterday. And collagen is great for your nails, for your hair. Works well for me, as you can tell. But for the ladies, it's great for you. It's great for overall health. Collagen is repairs of your body. So if you have an injury or a muscle strain, or you've got any inflammation, it's ideal to help it heal with the other things that you can use along it, other herbs. So I mentioned in the last video about chicken soup and how good chicken soup is. You might have seen this on the counter yesterday when I was filming. Basically, we've had our tea from it, and if you want to make your bone broth, this is the way you make your bone broth. You just get your whole chicken that's left and you put it inside there. Now if I was doing this for us, then I'd be using garlic and onions, but unfortunately, well not unfortunately, fortunately, I'd be using garlic and onions if it was for me and for us. And that's the way you've got all the goodness off the garlic, which is amazing for your immune system, and obviously the onions the same family. This is for the dogs, so dogs aren't allowed any onions or what have you. So basically all we're going to do is that we're going to fill it with water, we're going to put it up to pressure, and then that's going to boil on the timer really low. Once you've got the pressure, turn it right down for about an hour and a quarter, hour and 20 minutes, even hour and a half. It won't do any difference. Very quickly, that's what you end up with your chicken broth. As I said before, I've just put a few carrots in, that's all I've done, and it's been on for about an hour and a bit. You just get all the bones out, just do it with your hands, get rid of all the bones, and that is it. And that's so full of collagen you wouldn't believe, which is great for you. Grandma's old chicken soup. And that's really it for this quick chicken one. Coming up soon, we've got herbs for inflammation and oils, and I'm going to teach you how to make oils that you can rub into your skin where your inflammation is. So if you've got arthritis or the like, I will show this for you. Now on the website, it's not for sale yet. I'll show you the recipe. You can make it yourself, or you can wait till it's on the website and then you can order it from me. Check out the website if you possibly can. advanced-medical.co.uk. I'm Mike Taylor, and I'll see you soon.